Namaste. I'm here to give you an update on the situation in Kyrgyzstan, Central Asian country where nearly 17,000 Indian students are studying as foreign students. There was an attack on foreign students a few days ago on the 17th, 18th of this month, which has led to a lot of panic and concern among students and their parents back in India. Nearly 17,000 students are studying in Kyrgyzstan. Most of them are studying engineering studies, medical education. Most of them are in medical education. About 6,000 are in Bishkek, where the capital of Kyrgyzstan and also a place where incident happened. I wrote to the Honorable Foreign External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar yesterday expressing concern. He responded immediately stating that all effective steps are being taken by the local embassy. And when I asked whether I should interact with the ambassador, he said it would certainly help in knowing the latest situation there. So I spoke to the ambassador Arun Kumar Chatterjee in Bishkek this morning. And he assured me that the situation is completely normal in Bishkek now, and the students have been advised to mostly stay indoors. There is heavy patrolling entire city of Bishkek. Students who are outside Bishkek have nothing to worry because no incident has happened outside the capital city of Bishkek. But at the same time, he advised that no one should leave the country because situation is very much normal, and if they leave, they should do so only after taking written permission from their rector, so that they don't lose their academic year. Because this is the time when election exams are happening in Bishkek. By mid-June, all the exams are likely to get over, and after that there will be a nearly 2.5 month long summer vacation. So after talking to all the stakeholders, the ambassador assures me that there is absolutely nothing to be worried about, and the people should focus on their exams. And as a matter of precaution, all classes are being conducted online till the end of this week, till Saturday. And if need be, they might extend that online process for some more time. But in the interest of academic year, he advises that no one should leave until their exams are over. And if they have any concerns, they should contact the embassy at the emergency contact number given in their social media, in the embassy's social media handles. So I'd like to, after talking to the ambassador, I felt quite assured. I would like to once again reiterate, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has taken every necessary step to ensure that Indian citizens abroad, they are safe, secure, and they feel proud about their country. So any effective steps required will be taken if there is any such eventuality. But as of now, things are very normal, and there is no need for students or their parents to be concerned about. But necessary precautions have been advised as suggested by the local government. So if you have any concerns, or if you would like to, if you want me to interact with the ambassador and relay your concerns, you may do so at my social media handles. My X handle is at GVLN GVLNRAO @GVLN That's my Facebook handle also. So anyone who wants to relay any further concerns, you may please do so at my social media handles, and I assure you I will respond positively. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.